In this demo, we'll walk through Quipli's e-commerce storefront and built-in customer portal, giving your customers 24/7 access to manage their equipment rentals with ease. Whether you're using your existing site or a new one built by Quipli, customers can browse your live inventory and select their preferred rental dates and times, all with real-time availability. From each product page, customers can view images and detailed equipment descriptions, explore specs, add attachments, and even take advantage of one-click upsells to boost rental revenue. From the checkout page, customers can review all pricing, taxes, and fees, choose payment method, upload proof of insurance and their driver's license, and sign contracts digitally. From here, they can place the order request. Quipli also offers built-in license scanning and verification through our integration with IDscan.net. It's free to use, has no per-scan charges, and works both online and in person. With this feature enabled, once the customer checks out, they'll be sent a text to scan the front and back of their license for verification. Customers can also log into their customer portal at any time. Once logged in, they can view and manage past, active, and upcoming rentals, place new reservations, request extensions, download and pay invoices, and track their order and payment status. Customers can also view any custom pricing they've received from the customer portal. With Quipli's e-commerce storefront and customer portal, your customers are in control and your team spends less time on admin and more time growing the business.